found a world of natural hair right here in Vietnam. This company has a number of employees coming from different parts of Africa, like Kenya, Nigeria, Cameroon, and a blend of Vietnamese. And do you know that some of these Africans can now speak an impeccable Vietnamese due to their long stay in the country?
Tại đây và hãy các bạn chuẩn bị hiện những điều cần để kết quả nhất.
I caught up with this Nigerian teacher who also works in the world of hair, and she took me through what really happens in there. And I'm not only about teaching, and yes, I know teaching is one, but people are doing other things, people are doing other stuff here. So I met my Nigerian sister, also from West Africa. Hey, what's up?
Hello.
So, how long have you been in Vietnam?
I've been in Vietnam for 1 year, 3 months now.
And you work with a world of hair.
Yes.
That's a brand from Vietnam.
Yes.
So with a world of hair, what do you do? What do you actually do?
Okay, for the world of hair, I talk to wholesale hair vendors in Nigeria. I tell them about the human factory here to bring them to know this company, most especially the hair vendors in Africa. They come here, especially my country, Nigeria. They are very familiar with Vietnam and Vietnamese human hair, and they know other companies very well. But we need them to know the world of hair. We need them to partner with the world of hair. So I've been employed here to speak to them and to bring them to the company.
Okay, so you are mainly leading the agenda to the Africans here,
Yes.
especially Nigerians.
Yes.
Guys, I'll also be leading for Ghanaians. Okay, I'll be leading for Ghanaians and Kenyans. Yeah, well, okay, there's a Kenyan here, but I'll be leading for Ghanaians so that we bring all of you here. So, do you manufacture wigs or what do you do?
Okay, we actually supply raw human hair.
Okay.
Okay, we get this human hair from humans, of course. Okay, who have grown their hair so long, and we make them into styles, different styles, colors, thickness, lengths, on a customer's demand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so meaning the customer can actually just order that I want this with human hair. It should be this style, and then you ship it for the person.
Exactly. Exactly.
How long? Okay, how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this since April.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
So the thing about the world of hair is that their product is 100%.
Okay.
Yes, their product is very good. Okay, it's clean. The strands are very thick and they don't shed.
Okay.
They have the best. They have the best hair in the whole of Vietnam.
Okay.
So if people have been going somewhere else, they have been going to the wrong place. Yes.
Yeah, before coming, I had actually heard a lot about the world of hair, that when they are, the leaders when it comes to buying of hair.
Yes.
So, do you have different types of hair that people can order? Do you have different types? If you don't mind, can you run us through the little that you have?
Okay. Generally, there are different kinds of hair. We have the human hair. We have the synthetic.
Okay, so the human hair is the one that people come to take off their hair?
Yes, directly from their hair. And we have the synthetic, made from some plastic fibers. And we have some they call blend. Some people mix the synthetic with the human hair. So those ones are fake hair.
Okay.
We don't deal with fake hair.
Okay.
We are 100% on the human hair.
Okay.
So anything we are giving you
It's very authentic.
is authentic, is luxury.
Okay.
Though it's always more expensive than the synthetic.
Exactly.
But
I mean, it's always good to buy something which is expensive, but that can last longer than buy something that's fake that will just.
Exactly.
Okay, so if someone wants to order this hair, I'm in Vietnam, you are in Vietnam, how's the process? And all those Africans here who want human hair, what process do they go through?
First of all, a customer has to tell us what exactly they want. I want this style. Some even have some styles they've been looking to have. So they have to take a picture and send to us, or if they already know what they want, they can just tell us, oh, we want this particular style of hair in this length, in this color, in this thickness. Okay, can you make the extension for me? Okay, yes, we will.
Oh, meaning you guys are able to actually make the hair.
Yes.
You take it through different procedure to get what the person actually wants.
Exactly.
Do you have an idea of the cost or something?
Okay, when it comes to the cost, okay, every hair has their length.
Okay.
Every hair has their thickness. Okay, we have the single drawn, we have the double drawn, and we have the super double drawn. So when we talk about prices, we are going to give you price per the length, per the thickness. So our price vary from $10,
Okay.
which is the least, to $127, which is the highest. So now those are the prices in the raw state of the hair. When you say, oh, now this raw state of hair, I want to make this style, that style, that style, then you have to add some price. Now when you want to say, oh, I want to add this color, that color, then you add something again, and that is it. We'll make it for you. And our customers always love our hair.
Package it in the box with the information of customer in here. Okay, and we can ship to the Ghana, the Cameroon, the Nigeria, to all the country in the world via agent shipping. Don't worry about the delivery. We will deliver it for you. All about the world.
Guys, look no further. Just contact the wealth of hair.
That is it.
Yeah, my name is Kokusi Kenya Branty. Guy, let's catch you some other time and let's do this again, man.
Yeah, thank
it's a wrap
you.
for today. It's a wrap
And
for today.
goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye.